In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a chicken chowder soup. What I have here, I have onion, carrot, garlic, I have some corn, potato, celery, bit of thyme, spring onion, and we're gonna need 1 chicken breast to execute this perfect soup recipe. So here I have 1 chicken breast. So what I'm gonna do with this, I will be dicing it, but I'll show you how you can dice it. You don't have to dice it too small, but I'll explain to you in this video. So what am I gonna do here? I'm just gonna give it some small dice. And the reason why I do it like this, normally you can cook it and shred it, but if I do it like this, you know, save me the time. So I'm just gonna take a small plate and put this on it. And my next step is, so the next thing I'm gonna work on is my vegetables. So we have celery. I probably use just 1 celery in this. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna dice this fine dice. We're gonna make sure set them aside, and the same with the carrot. Next up, we have our onion. So the onion, we're going to dice it also. We're going to take it, we're going to put him over here. So next up, we have our potato. So with the potato, it's up to you. I'm gonna do it in a fine dice also. And this is what it looked like. If you want to cut them a little bit smaller, that's fine. So this is most of our ingredients. The next thing I want to add to this is some garlic. So if you want to cut the garlic smaller than this, that's fine. No problem doing that. So now most of the ingredients are ready. We have our stock almost prepared. You can use vegetable stock or chicken stock. So time for cooking now. So I have my pan on. So I'm going to add some butter to this. We're going to add our butter in. And once the butter melted, we're gonna add the chicken straight in. So now I'm gonna put the chicken straight in. Make sure you start seasoning. So the next step, we're gonna add, all our vegetables straight in. And we're gonna sweat him off. Now, for me, I'm gonna add a little bit of all-purpose that I made up. This is personal preference. You don't want it in it, not a problem at all. So what am I gonna do now? I'm just gonna cover this for probably about 2 minutes, and then I'll take you through the next process. So what we do now is sweating out the vegetables and everything until they actually cooked before we even add the flour and the stock to it. So now we're gonna add our flour in. We're gonna give him a bit of stir. So we're gonna combine everything together. Next up, we have our stock ready. So we're gonna pour our stock in. Okay, so we'll turn the gas off, and then we do the final stage, finishing up the soup. The next thing you want to do, add cream to this. Then you give him a bit of stir. Very important. Next thing we're going to do, parsley. Next up, we're gonna pour out our soup. If this video of any help to you, ladies and gentlemen, please do consider to like, share, subscribe, do leave a positive comment. So ladies and gentlemen, that's a finished product. That's a perfect chicken chowder soup.